Alright guys, we're going to go over the auto mode. So we've got the auto mode right here in the middle. So again, this information was taken from the advanced mode of mechanical ventilation PowerPoint. So when we're talking about our auto mode, let's talk about what this is. So let's go up here to what. So an auto mode is a combination of control and a combination of support. So it's going to go between those two. It's going to go between a control mode and it's going to go between a support mode. Okay? And it does this because it adapts to the patient's needs. So let's go down here and look at the method and how this works. So this is the method. So the mode is going to flip to support when it feels the patient trigger a breath. So when the ventilator detects flow, that's the patient trying to trigger a breath, it's going to flip to the support mode and just support the patient. So down here though, if the ventilator will go to a control mode when no patient effort, which is flow, is detected. So if the ventilator is not detecting any flow, it's going to switch to control mode. So there's three combinations that can go with this. There's the volume control or volume support, PRVC, volume support, and there's pressure control and pressure support. So if we go up here to the settings, right, of the auto mode, so it depends on what you're in. So either one of these, I mean, it's going to work in a control or support mode, but it depends. So if you're in a volume mode, right, you would have to set a tidal volume. You'd have to set a pressure control, pressure support, your FiO2 for any of them. You have to set a rate for any of them. You have to set a rise time for any of them. The PRVC mode, you would set a tidal volume for as well. And if you're in pressure control, you would have to set a pressure. So it just depends on which mode you're in these three combinations down here. So let's talk about why you would use this. You could use this as for weaning, and I suppose you could probably even use it for patient dyssynchrony as well. But that is it for auto mode.